What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is starting to trade sort of in this upward channel here, so not necessarily a wedge like upward channel, but like a normal upward mobility type channel. This channel usually still indicates more of a bearish outlook. In my opinion, I do believe that Bitcoin in the long term is bullish, but for the short term, we could see another dip in price. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 4 touch points. As seen drawn with the green the green marker in that channel, that is my prediction on the price can do next. We could bounce off that top trend line a few times before making our way back down. We could trade in this pattern on the 1 hour chart for the foreseeable future, the next couple of days to be exact. The top arrow above the top trend line suggests that we could break that top trend line, making a more upward type move. We could break that bottom trend line as indicated with the bottom orange arrow and dip even further. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. A lot of that stuff has association with the volatility of Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's price is heavily touched by those macro moves. Bitcoin and cryptos are still a very highly unregulated market. A lot of uncertainty is still at stake. So proceed with caution when investing in stuff like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This is a 50-50 analysis. It's not financial advice. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on the 1 hour chart setup. I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on Bitcoin's 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading still in this sort of like falling wedge like pattern. This pattern usually indicates a more more bullish outlook for the future Bitcoin price. Again, patterns aren't necessarily a defining de facto of what Bitcoin's price will do next, but it just gives us a better, clear view on what is possible, but it's not 100% guaranteed. As you can see on the bottom trend line, this particular pattern has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 3 touch points. As seen drawn with the green marker within that channel, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. Just my prediction. Doesn't mean it'll happen. As you can see with the top orange arrow, Bitcoin's price could break that top trend line and increase in price. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions. Same with the bottom orange arrow. We could break that bottom trend line and dip even further. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Do you see another pattern? Do you use other indicators to see your technical analysis? What is your way of viewing the technical analysis aspect of Bitcoin? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.